20 more enclosures throughout the land of various sizes. You can see if you touch the outside of the enclosure, that stuff is called zoo mesh. It's really specific for birds.
Yeah, they're clubs. Slime mold?
Before it jumps out of your hands.
Lot. We have
On my mushroom walk. The mushrooms we're seeing are
Right? I heard something in the woods.
one giant species that we have in New England.
if you think about 100
Yeah. Oh no, that's the ovenbird.
berries in the field, they're just popping off. Slow bush, they're good eating.
Some right there.
Yeah, and you guys email us.
Alex is taking photos.
That one is a eminent.
How long do they call? Black trumpet. Boy, what an area this is, huh? Round, but she actually was impaled.
That's like we're talking. This is like Hallmark. It was crazy. We were out.
Oh, lovely.
On with you. Yeah. Get on it.
And, you know, they worked in a Kurdish field hospital for a while.
Is that shade in the background, hopefully? Yeah, probably. Just in her car.